There are significant differences between extra virgin, virgin, and refined olive oils, each with unique characteristics that affect flavor and health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is of the highest quality and is made from the first cold pressing of olives. It boasts a robust flavor, rich aroma, and high levels of antioxidants and healthy fats, making it ideal for dressings and drizzling over dishes. Virgin olive oil is also made from the first pressing, but has a slightly higher acidity and milder flavor. It's suitable for cooking at low to medium heat, but lacks some health benefits from extra virgin oil. Refined olive oil, on the other hand, undergoes processing that removes impurities and flavors, resulting in a neutral taste and lower nutritional value. While it has a higher smoke point, it lacks its unrefined counterparts' rich flavors and health benefits. We encourage you to choose the right type of olive oil based on your culinary needs. Understanding these distinctions will help you make informed decisions, elevate your cooking, and maximize the health benefits of this versatile ingredient. While olive oil is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, moderation is vital. Olive oil is calorie-dense, containing about 120 calories per tablespoon. While it can enhance the flavor of your dishes and provide healthy fats, excessive consumption can contribute to weight gain if not balanced with your overall caloric intake. Many people mistakenly believe that because olive oil is a healthy fat, they can use it liberally without consequences. However, overindulging can lead to an imbalance in your diet, potentially overshadowing its benefits. It's essential to incorporate olive oil thoughtfully, ensuring it complements a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of other healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. We encourage you to be mindful of portion sizes when using olive oil in your cooking or as a dressing. By practicing moderation, you can enjoy olive oil's rich flavors and health benefits while maintaining a balanced diet. When cooking with olive oil, it's crucial not to overlook potential allergies and sensitivities. While pure olive oil is generally safe for most people, some individuals may experience allergic reactions or sensitivities. Common allergens that can be present in olive oil include tree nuts, as some oils may be processed in facilities that handle nuts, leading to cross-contamination. Additionally, certain flavored or infused olive oils, such as garlic or herbs, may contain ingredients that trigger allergies. We encourage viewers to be aware of their sensitivities and carefully read labels. If you have a known allergy to tree nuts or other ingredients, choosing olive oils that are certified free from those allergens is essential. Consulting a healthcare professional is wise if you're unsure how olive oil might affect you. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and dietary needs. Being proactive about allergies and sensitivities ensures your safety and enhances your cooking experience. Taking these precautions allows you to enjoy olive oil's rich flavors and health benefits without worrying about adverse reactions. We've explored several fatal olive oil mistakes that can compromise both your culinary experience and your health. From ignoring expiration dates to using olive oil for high-heat cooking, each mistake can lead to undesirable outcomes. We've emphasized the importance of proper storage, understanding labels, and recognizing the differences between various types of olive oil. Additionally, we discussed the significance of moderation and being aware of potential allergies and sensitivities. Applying the tips in this video lets you enjoy olive oil safely and maximize its health benefits. Always check expiration dates, store your oil correctly, and choose high-quality options. Being informed about your choices will enhance your cooking and protect your well-being.